sorry to say, but I feel disrespected, not by indoda kuphela ke ngoba phela ke kuthiwa hayibo nami ngisheliwe njengawe, but also nawe nako ukubuka ucabange nje ukuthi bafowethu kodwa uThobile, because ufikile naye nento ethi I don't care, nami ngishelwe njengaye, indoda must. Angithi uze endodeni, she never considered anyone's feelings because she wanted to be here. Indoda must. Cannot be Thobile. I don't want to be part of anything. If that is being selfish, can I be selfish for one?
Nizwile mos bathi indoda must endodeni yakho, not indoda must kuThobile. Guys, nibona umsebenzi ehlezi ekhala nje uThobile uyamvuruvaya financially. Already, I don't think umsebenzi uyothengelela abafazi izindlu. I think ule watshela uThobile ukuthi abathengele. I'm not sure. But it doesn't look like umseleko angabe abathengele and then ashiye uSamke angamthengeli. Amthathe ayombeka eMzumbe. There's no way. There's no way, guys. And nabona ama-conversation wabo, le debate yabo is always financially ukuthi uThobile uzibona ale phezulu ngenxa yokuthi yena unemali. Akasazi between ukuhlukanisa between indoda nomfazi. Kuye so kuyafana nokuthi equal, and it's not like that ngoThobile, guys. uThobile, I feel like she's angry ukuthi kuthathiwe unumber 5, and besides that umusa akafuna ukuyenza i-IVF noThobile, but uhlezi elwa ngaye ethi yena ufuna omunye umntwana, so kwamele athathe omunye umfazi, and also ukwatela ukuthi bathathe umuntu owaladuze, which is unfair because naye uThobile umuntu waduze and naye wangena esithenjini. So I don't understand why you're angry. But then kule finance vele, I think she must be selfish because umusa can't take another wife and then atshele uThobile ukuthi suzanikeza nalo phela i-allowance. Sho ukuthi uThobile phela i-head of the house. Head of the house, umusa nje into ayenzayo ukwandisa abantwana. Literally. Imbona nje akhala. uMakhwela umtshela ukuthi ukuze yena azale abanye abantwana kumele ne-allowance ikhuphuke. uThobile uyambona akazingeni Nkosi yami, and anyeka mani aye ku-diary session ayokhuluma indaba yokuthi mina umfazi wakho ungangifaki kuyi. Umusa ukhulumile ngale ndaba kuThobile uthi phela Thobile faka nangu uSamke naye mthengele yakhe indlu or something. There must be something umusa ayikhulumile. She can't just go to a diary session athi hey mina ezomfazi wakho ungangifaki. Financially nje indoda must for yena. Guys, Nina, what are your thoughts on this? Indaba kaMakhwela iyahlekisa shem. Hi, thank you for watching.